So we're looking at a couple pairs this morning. So I think Euro USD is looking very good. The previous hour closed. We did get a nice close underneath this trend line that I drew up here. So this is the first time where price closed underneath this trend line. As you can see here, it rejected and closed above. So when we get closures underneath trend lines, things like that, we do view that as a strong signal. But we're just waiting on a little bit more confirmation. And then pretty much interested in 3 pairs. This is the other one. This is EJ. Again, we rejected this key price area here, just like how we drew it up yesterday, I believe. Yep, Monday. So again, now we're back at this price level. We did have a strong move up, couple rejections off this zone. Now momentum is looking like it could potentially blow through, so I am going to be a lot more cautious in this particular trade. And then here we got GU, which is doing exactly what, it's doing exactly what I'm projecting it to do, which is based off of momentum. I think it was just building up some liquidity here. I think we're going to go ahead and probably blow through at this point. So what I'll look for is a retest of either this zone here or possibly off the trend to continue sales down. The only thing is probably the only con in this trade. Only thing that could potentially happen is we didn't wait for a clean enough retest, and we could be seeing that where we did break through this particular price level. We could be coming back to retest this level. So I think just to be smart, I'm gonna pull my stop loss a little further up. Don't really like to do this, but I want to give price the opportunity to do its retest. This is not a good trade when you're looking at the risk to reward ratio. At this time, it's more of a 1.6, which is not really what we like to aim for. I did get a little happy though. I didn't want to miss the opportunity. Let's hope that price want to do exactly what we expecting it to do. So again, the only thing about this trade is we didn't wait for a proper break. We kind of hopped in without seeing this, and price can very well continue all the way back up. So at the end of the day, it could go either way. It could do anything it wants, but a higher probability of a trade would have been to wait for this retest like it's doing now. Kind of had a little bit of FOMO and hopped in early because I didn't know if it was going to give me this retest. But obviously, waiting, we would have avoided this loss on this particular trade. So I'll go ahead and journal that and take that into consideration on the next trade.